in the R&D and application of semiconductor chips. How to solve the reliability challenges caused by the extreme temperature changes. This rapid temp change test chamber is a reliability verification instrument specially designed for semiconductor devices. It is fully applicable to the entire process, including wafer manufacturing, chip packaging and testing, and mass production of power devices. The equipment complies with key industry standards such as JEDEC, JESD22-A104, and IEC 6006A, providing accurate and traceable data, support for device reliability design and process optimization. Equipped with cascade, refrigeration, and dynamic precise PID temperature control technology. The unit features a temperature range of -70 Celsius to +150 Celsius and a temperature range rate of 5 to 25 Celsius per minute, and accurately detect hidden failures such as package delamination, starting wire fatigue, and solder joint cracking. The temperature uniformity of the equipment is within 2 Celsius, and the temperature fluctuation is within plus or minus 1.0 Celsius, eliminating test deviations caused by local temperature differences. It is widely used in consumer electronics, semiconductors, industrial control chips, and other fields, which can effectively shorten the R&D cycle and reduce the factory failure rate of devices. Follow Sanwood Technology to learn more about environmental test equipment.